Hello and welcome to the Dynata Training Series. My name is Chris, and today, together with my colleague Eric, we are going to introduce you to Dynata Audience Solutions. We will start by explaining what Dynata Audience Solutions are and how they can help you within your research processes. Then, we will move into actually getting started utilizing the tool and provide an introduction to navigate through its dashboard, utilize its functionality, and get started actually planning and executing projects within it. In subsequent videos in this training series, we will actually walk you through the entire process of creating and managing your research projects through Samplify, which is the primary user interface in our Audience Solutions package. And finally, in the third video in this series, we will walk you through a variety of advanced tips and tricks for more complicated research projects which you may want to conduct. In case you are not familiar with Dynata's Audience Solutions, they are Dynata's do-it-yourself and programmatic or API-driven solution to managing sample for your research projects. They are specifically designed to fuel your research with fast and easy access to the industry's deepest collection of consumer and business audiences. Utilizing Dynata Audience Solutions, you can set up and launch projects yourself at any time, leveraging access to all of our proprietary panel assets, which lets you leverage comprehensive B2C and B2B targeting attributes. The tools allow you to preview and test your studies before launching them into field, and then give you simple tools to monitor and manage your fieldwork once the study has in fact launched. Finally, as a component of the Dynata Insights platform, Dynata Audience Solutions seamlessly integrate with all of our other various analytical tools that lets you rapidly analyze the data that you have collected in order to drive actionable insights. While Dynata Audience Solutions are designed to be a do-it-yourself self-service tool or a programmatic tool, you can also choose to work with our best-in-class, industry-leading team of research specialists who are there to work with you to design, manage, execute, and monitor all of your research projects as they are underway. So, with that introduction out of the way, I'm now going to turn it over to my colleague, Eric Ritter, who's going to be able to walk us through the specifics of how to log into Dynata's Audience Solutions, how to navigate throughout that user interface in that tool, working across your various different project lists, searching and filtering for the projects that particularly interest you in a given moment in time, and understanding how to view top-line information about those projects or review the invoices that are associated with those projects. With that, I'm happy to turn it over to Eric, who will start walking us through.